Welcome to 3148 Golden Wave Court in Fairfax, Virginia. I'm Laura Griffin with Pearson Smith Realty, and this is your luxury townhome close to everything. We are half a mile to the Pan Am Shopping Center, 2 miles to the Mosaic District, and less than a mile to the Vienna Metro. So if you're looking for convenience and luxury, this townhome is your perfect match. Thank you for checking out 3148 Golden Wave Court in Fairfax, Virginia. If you have any questions about this luxury townhome close to everything, contact me.